Meeting new customers.
Dialogue 1. Sales pitching for new customers.
Welcome everyone to our showcase. We represent Smart Techno Company, one of the rising startups in recent years. At Smart Techo, we believe that our products will be great help to our lives. They will blow your mind when you see them. What products do you guys produce? Yes, thank you, sir, for your question. We are making robots, smart robots to assist people's lives. For example, today we bring here some models of our robot. We have here at the fair N4000 vacuum robot. What makes that vacuum stand out?
Yes, we can see that it doesn't look so special.
Exactly. That is one of our intentions. N4000 is not only a vacuum, it is also our friend and our housekeeper. N4000 understands your feelings with AI technology. N4000, what do you think of these people?
They are amazingly amazing.
Oh, N4000, don't flatter us.
Such an intelligent robot. Thank you so much. N4000 loves you.
Dialogue 2. Receiving new customers.
Dear experts, we're so lucky to have you here today with us. Please follow us. This is where our dairy cows call home. These cows are fed by the best grasses and nuts inside this shelter. They can also spend time strolling around our meadows. On these beautiful meadows, the best grasses are grown and checked thoroughly.
Yes, we are always watering and taking care of the grass.
We understand that having sufficient land and nutritious diet for the cows is the most important thing. Staying in the shelter, we play calming music for these animals.
We give the cows standard care, like feeding, bathing, trimming hair, raising the baby cows, and milking them when it's time.
But recently, the cows seem tired and losing interest in eating or going to the meadows.
That's why I seek advice from you experts.
All right, Mr. Robin. After taking a look at your farm and your milk manufacturing, we think the problem is the water source.
Water source? We hadn't thought of that. Product ordering.
Dialogue 1. Ordering products.
After the quality test procedure, we really like your company's cocoa seeds.
Thank you.
We want to make a bulk purchase, but there's one thing we're concerned about.
And what's that, ma'am?
How many cocoa seeds do you have in your inventory?
We have 3 inventories with more than 2,000 tons of them.
Oh, that's great to hear. You know, our chocolate factory is the leading one in the West Coast area. We want to order 50 tons to manufacture cocoa beans. and chocolates before Valentine's Day begins.
We got it. As soon as we receive your payment, our ships will set sail and head towards your dock.
Sure, that's even better.
Cheers to our partnership.
Dialogue 2. Ordering products at sight.
Welcome to the Amazing Potter Workshop. We can provide you with a wide range of pottery, china, and clay items with the newest models and patterns.
Those are not what my company and I need.
So what can I do for you, sir? What are you looking for?
Nowadays, young people don't know the value of original, simple pottery products. I want something raw, something classic.
Like our old goods?
Yes, that's right. Goodness, we're searching for these.
What are you gonna use them for?
My company wants to open an art exhibit of ancient crafty goods. I'll buy all this collection, in bulk, please. Please instruct me on how to make the payment.
Sure, sir. Let's talk about your order so I can make you an invoice.
Situation 1. John and Derek talk together about the weather in their office and prepare to have lunch. Oh my God, it's so cold today. The temperature is 14 degrees, which is the lowest I have ever seen. My toes are freezing. I know, mine too. I don't like winter. My asthma is getting worse and worse when it's cold. Look how windy and gloomy it is outside. I think it is going to snow heavily tonight. I heard this year is going to be the coldest winter in this decade because of climate change. Oh, I just want to stay in. But it's almost break time. Do you still want to go grab some lunch? Okay, I think so because my doctor told me that I couldn't skip meals. Oh great, I'm starving. I feel like eating hamburgers. Maybe McDonald's? No, I need something to warm me up. I'm thinking about something hot and spicy. Perhaps Chinese food or Thai? There is an amazing Chinese restaurant downtown. Do you want to try it out? Oh wait, I just remembered. It's too cold. My car won't start. We should try delivery. Okay, sure. Let me call them. Thanks. I will have noodles and dumplings. Okay, got it. Situation 2. Miley runs into his high school friend Sarah in New York City. And suddenly it's snowing. This is the first time Sarah has seen snow. Sarah? Oh my God. It's Miley from high school. How are you? Oh, hi Miley. I'm good. Long time no see. How are you doing lately? I heard you went to New York University. Yeah, I'm good. When did you move here? I just moved here last month. I just got a job downtown. Oh, that's great. Congrats. I'm sorry for not keeping in touch. I'm so busy with school and work. Oh, don't worry. Now we both live in the same city. We can hang out sometimes. Sure. Oh, look, Sarah, it's snowing. Ever since I moved here, I have always got excited whenever I see snow. Yay! Wow. This is the first time I have ever seen snow. It's so beautiful. I wish we had snow in our old town. I know. The forecast said it was going to be a very cold day with snow flurries in New York. Look, the snowflakes settle on the street. Maybe after tonight, the street will be covered by a light dusting of snow. Oh, I'm so excited to build a snowman and have a snowball fight. Is that too childish? It's okay, Sarah. I like it too. I love how the snow makes everything look so magical. But a snowstorm can be scary. Have you ever been stranded in a snowstorm, Miley? Yes, I have. Last December, my roommate and I were driving to Minnesota to celebrate Christmas with his family. When we almost got there, there was a sudden blizzard, and I got stuck in the middle of a big pile of snow. There was so much snow, and clouds that we could not see properly, and the wind was very strong. Oh, you must have been so scared. So how did you get out? Thank God, my friend had a shovel in his trunk. We had to dig snow and ice away from the drive tires. He wanted to free up a few feet in front of and behind the tires so we could move the car back and forth. And after 3 hours of pushing and shoving, we were able to drive away, and we decided to wait in a cafe for the snowstorm to end. That sounds terrifying! How can these cute snowflakes be dangerous? Of course, not everyone likes snow. While some people look out of their window in the morning at the new fallen snow and see a winter wonderland, others see freezing temperatures, travel problems, and general misery. What about you? Honestly, I don't like winter. I miss the sunny weather back in Miami. I think spring is the most beautiful season. It's not too hot, not too cold. And beautiful flowers and blossoms are popping up everywhere you go. All the trees have fresh green look. I think so too. But while you are here, you should enjoy the snow, and we can go skiing sometimes. That's a great idea. Maybe next weekend? Yeah, sure. By the way, I have to go to school now. It's nice to see you again, Sarah. See you next week. Bye, Miley. Later. Situation 3. Nick called Lucy to ask her out on a date at the beach, but when they got there, it was a sudden storm, so they had to wait in a bookstore. Hello, is this Lucy? Yes, it's me. Who is this? It's Nick. Did we meet yesterday at the bar, remember? Oh, hi, what's up? So there is a concert at the beach tonight, and I think it'd be really fun if we went together. Are you asking me out? Yes, I want to go with you, and I think it's going to be a great time. Sure, but wait, I think it's gonna rain tonight. But it's still sunny and bright outside. I think the storm will not come until tomorrow. Oh, okay, sure. So tonight, right? Yeah, I will pick you up at 8 p.m. Okay, see you then.
Yes!
Oh, I can feel some raindrops on my head. Should I be worried? No worries. I brought an umbrella. And also, I think it's just splitting a little. I don't know. The forecast calls for scattered showers. I think we should go before it rains heavily. Okay, let's go to the bookstore down the street and stay inside until the rain lets up. Look, Nick, it's really coming down out there. It's pouring rain. Luckily we got here in time, or else we would be soaking wet. I don't like this rainy season. I prefer winter. From skiing and snowboarding in the mountains, to curling up by the fire and enjoying some hot chocolate. There's never a shortage of things to do in the wintertime. Oh, I personally love this season. It's my favorite. Rain brings out the most beautiful scenery. trees are greener, more flowers are in bloom, lakes and waterfalls are most alive. From my experience, the rainy season is the best time to travel.
How about snow? Do you like snow?
No, I hate snow. It can be slushy, dirty, and also dangerous. When there is a lot of snow leaving, you pretty much indoors for 3 to 4 months and the heating bill is so hot.
Good points. Anyways, I think the rain stopped. We should go before it starts to rain again. And I'm sorry that we couldn't stay to watch the whole concert.
It's okay. I had a really good time here at this bookstore with you.
Everyday English conversations practice easy. What is your favorite restaurant? Anna, what is your favorite restaurant? My favorite one is Florentine Restaurant. It sounds like an Italian restaurant. You're right. They serve mainly Italian food there. Why do you like it? The food there is delicious and the restaurant looks very nice. What is the restaurant like? It's a bit noisy but very cozy. What is your favorite dish there? I love beef and pineapple pizza the most. It sounds delicious. Yes, I also like their spaghetti. Is it expensive to eat there? No, it isn't. The price is very reasonable. Great. I will try it one day. You really should. We can go together. Sure. Do you like your job? Lucy, you look so tired today. Yes, I was so busy at work. You should sleep early tonight. Yes, I will. Jane, do you like your job? Me? Yes, I do. Why do you ask? I'm thinking about changing job. Don't you like your job? I like it, but I feel exhausted. Are you always busy at work? Yes, most of the time. How long have you been working there? I've been working there for 4 years. Why do you suddenly think about changing job? I want to spend more time with my daughter when she goes to primary school. I see. So you should think carefully. Can you swim? Joe, will you register for the swimming class? No, I won't. Why not? I already know how to swim. Oh, really? How old were you when you learned to swim? I was 8 years old when I had my first lesson. How long did it take for you to be able to swim? Not long. Around 7 days. Wow, so fast. Can you swim? No, I can't. That's why I will register for the swimming class. I hope you will have fun and know how to swim soon. Thank you, Joe. When is her birthday? What are you thinking about, Ron? Sarah's birthday is coming. When is her birthday? It's on November 9th. What gift will you give her? I'm still thinking about it. What did you give her last year? I gave her a bunch of flowers and a perfume bottle. Have you had any gift ideas yet? Oh, nothing special. Just something like a dress or lipsticks. Why don't you try to do something handmade for her? Like what? A card or photo album, for example? Nice idea. But I don't know how to do those things. There are many instruction videos on YouTube. Okay, I will try. Thank you for your suggestion. Not at all. Are you ready? Lena, close your eyes. What? Come on, just close your eyes and follow me. Okay. Okay, stop. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Now open your eyes. Oh, wow, it's incredible, Mia. Happy birthday, my girl. I hope you like this birthday gift. I really like it. Wow, the painting looks amazing, Mia. I'm glad you like it. How long does it take to draw it? A few hours. Aw, thanks a lot, Mia. I will hang it in my bedroom. Have you ever been abroad? Amelia, have you ever been abroad? Yes, I have been to many countries. What is your most favorite place? My favorite place is Venice. Where is Venice? It's in Italy. What is special about that place? It is called the City of Canals. When was the last time you went to Venice? I went there last summer. What was the weather like? It was very nice. Sunny all day, but not too hot. Which place in Venice do you like the most? It's Burano Island. There are many colorful houses on the island. Did you buy any souvenirs? Yes, I bought a lot of postcards. What time does the movie begin? Bill, can I borrow your hair gel? Yes, it's on the rack in the bathroom. Thank you. You seem to be in a hurry. Yes, I'm going to the cinema with my girlfriend today. What time does the movie begin? At 7:45 p.m. You still have enough time, don't you? I've got to pick her up. Oh, I got it. What movie will you watch today? Spider-Man. No Way Home. Okay. Remember to bring an umbrella. It might rain tonight. Thanks for reminding me. Not at all. Enjoy your night, man. How do you like it? Hello, may I help you, sir? Hi, I'd like to order. Yes, sir, I'm listening. I want to have this tuna salad. Okay? 2 beefsteak dishes. How do you like it? Rare, medium rare, or well done? 1 medium rare and 1 well done, please. Anything else, sir? And 1 chicken soup. That's it. Okay, sir. What would you like to drink? I would like 2 red wine glasses. Thank you. I got you to order. Please wait a moment for your food to be served. Okay. I'll serve your wine when the beefsteak is ready. Sure, no problem. Thank you. You're welcome, sir. Do you smoke? James, do you smoke? No, I don't, Mom. Are you sure? Yes, of course. You'd better not smoke, or I will teach you a lesson. But why do you ask so suddenly, Mom? I saw a cigarette packet in your trousers. That is my friend Bill's packet. Why was it in your pocket? Yesterday he asked me to help him hold it, then he forgot it. Oh, okay. Don't smoke. It's not good for your health. I know, Mom. I hate the smell anyway. That's good. And remember to give the pack back to your friend. Yes, I will, Mom. What are you doing here? Hi, Lauren. Hi, Jennifer. What are you doing here? I have a stomach ache, so I went to check it. Does it hurt a lot? Yes, it hurt so bad I couldn't even sleep last night. That's why you look so tired. How about you? Why are you here? I'm here for the blood test. What's wrong with you? I have a high cholesterol level, so I went to check again today. Really? How long have you got it? I've got it since last year. How often do you have to go to check? The doctor suggests I check every 3 to 6 months. How is it now? Much better. It's lower now.
What's your address?
Linda, have you heard about Michael's new house? It is a whole mansion. Wow, really? Where did you get that information? Leo told me about it. Apparently, they live right next door to each other now.
That's nice. Talking about Leo, he is throwing a party at his place this weekend. Are you coming?
Yeah, he invited me yesterday. Can you give me his address again? I totally forgot to write it down.
Let me see. It's 45 XYZ Street, right next to a gas station, I think.
Okay. While we're at it, maybe we can pay Michael's house a visit as well?
Good idea. Let's ask him. Hey, Michael, can we hang out at your place after Leo's party this weekend?
Sure, but my family and I just moved in, and we have not finished unpacking yet. If you guys are fine with the house being a bit messy, then it's fine.
No worries. We just want to check out your place a bit.
Okay, I'll tell my parents you guys are coming. Oh, should we bring something over as a housewarming gift? You can if you want, but it really isn't necessary. Your presence is enough. That's so nice of you. I'll still bake something for us to enjoy together, though. That's also great. I'm excited.
Mom, can I go over to Michelle's place and hang out with her there today? Sure, honey. Have her parents agreed to that yet? She said so, Mom. All right, do you need me to drop you off, or are you going on your own? It would be great if you could give me a ride, Mom. I'm not too familiar with her neighborhood.
That's no problem, honey. What is her address?
Oh, it's 29 DEF Street. I think you would know it. It's on your way to work.
Ah, yes. I have to go past that street every morning.
Should I get ready to go now?
Maybe in 15 minutes. I need to finish doing these dishes, then we can go. Oh, can you grab the car key in the living room for me?
Where exactly in the living room, Mom?
Look on top of the coffee table. I saw it there last time.
Got it, Mom. I'll wait for you in the car.
Okay. "911, what's your emergency?" "Hi, I am calling to report a potential burglary at my neighbor's house. They told me they were out of town for the week, but I heard something like windows breaking and saw movement in the house." "All right, keep calm, and please tell us the address of your neighbor's house." It's 64XYZ Street. Can someone come over here right now? I'm not sure if the burglar is still there. We are sending a team right over. In the meantime, can you give us some additional information? Yeah, sure. Did you see anyone suspicious around the house earlier? Actually, yes. Yes, I did. I saw a male in dark clothes with a black cap covering his face. About 5'10", a bit slender. I didn't think much about him though, because it was quite cold outside. I see. What about his vehicle? Did you see a new car or motorbike on your street? I don't think so. Everything seemed normal except for what I already reported. Okay, well, our team should be there any moment now. Please stay on the line and update us with any new information as soon as you have it. Alright, got it.
Do the housework. Talking about household chores in English. What are you doing? I'm sweeping the floor in the kitchen. Have you called someone to fix our Wi-Fi? Yes, he has fixed it since this morning. That's great! I haven't accessed the Wi-Fi for a week. Ugh, so terrible. It's okay now. Did you change the password? Right. What is that? Do the housework. Okay, Mom. I want to rest a bit after coming back from school. Anyway, let me wash the dishes. Really? Thank you. So I will hang up the laundry and dust the furniture. Sure. Jessica, I think you need to tidy up your room. I have told you many times that you should fold your blankets after getting up. Do you need help? No, Mom. Last week I was busy studying for exams, so I didn't clean up. I will clean the room after washing the dishes. I'm glad you helped me with the housework. Mom, what are you doing now? I am rearranging the fridge. It's quite messy. Do you need any help? Don't worry, I've nearly finished. Have you finished tidying up the room yet? I finished cleaning. I'm getting ready to vacuum the floor. Okay, please remind me to water the plants in the garden at 5 p.m. Mom, I have finished cleaning my room and vacuuming the floor. You did a great job. I wish you were always working hard like today. Can I know the password of the Wi-Fi? Of course. I have told you, right? Did you forget it? You haven't told me? Do the housework. Oh dear, isn't it enough for today? Enough? Have you taken out the rubbish? Oh, I forgot. Okay, I will do it. Today I am very surprised about you. That's what you want. Right. Can you help me to feed the dog? It's too early, Mom. What time is it? It's 5:30 p.m. I don't think it's early like that. Maybe because you helped me a lot today, I save a lot of time. I will feed our Leo at 7 p.m. Good. Mom, can you tell me the password? What's wrong with you? I have told you twice. No way! When I asked you the password, you told me that do the housework. That's the password. Are you kidding me? I have told that do the housework without space is the password. Oh my god, unbelievable. So you misunderstood that I told you to do housework and didn't tell you the password? Right, I did a lot of housework today. I'm even going to clean the window. I usually do them myself. Why did you set such a strange password like that? I like it. Anyway, thank you for helping me a lot today. Dad, do you know the new password of our Wi-Fi? I don't know. Ask Mom, please. Honey, what is the password of the Wi-Fi? Do the housework. What? Oh, okay. I will take responsibility for washing the dishes for dinner and pruning the trees and shrubs. Do you see, Mom? Dad has the same reaction like me. That's great for me. Thank you for helping me. What is that? What are you saying? Okay, I will mop the floor as well. Dad, the password is do the housework without space. I did a lot of household chores this afternoon because I thought like you. Why did you set this pass? Mom, you are so smart.
What is your hobby? Tim and John just met each other as roommates at their university dorm, and now they get to know more about each other for the first time. Thomas, John's friend, also pays a visit.
Hello, is this room 203? Yes, and you must be Tim, right? Hello, yes. How did you know my name? Oh, I was notified that someone would move in and share this room with me. I'm John, by the way. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, John. So, is this your first day at university? Yes, this is my first time in this town as well. There are still many things to learn. Don't worry, I will show you around for sure. Thank you. Wow, is that an electric guitar? Haha, yeah, kind of. It's actually a bass guitar. That is so cool. You can play bass? And I'm sorry for mistaking a bass guitar for a normal electric guitar. It's okay. Many people don't know the difference. You can know it by looking at the number of the strings, though. Bass guitars usually have 4 strings, whereas electric guitars usually have 6. Oh, and yeah, I like playing bass. That's so cool. Do you play in a band as well? Yeah, I am in a small band with my friends. Do you guys perform? Yeah, sometimes, in our school's festivals or events. We just do it for fun though, we're all amateurs. Is playing bass your hobby? Yeah, I always practice when I have time. I learned to play other instruments as well, such as electric guitars or drums. But I don't see any guitars or drums around here. Yeah, that's the problem. Because I don't have them around, it's a bit difficult for me to learn. I have to go to my friend's house to borrow their guitar on the weekends. For the drum set, I can go to school and borrow it twice a week. Wow. So you can play bass guitar and drums. You are mad talented, John. Oh, you are flattering me, Tim. But still, thank you so much for your compliment. What about you? What is your hobby? Oh, I play chess. I even bring a board with me. I can play chess too, but I'm not too good. It's been quite a while since I last played it, like a few years ago. I see. I used to participate in lots of competitions when I was in high school. I was in the chess club as well. So you must be able to play it very well. Can you teach me someday? I want to know some cool moves. Sure, it takes 2 to play chess anyways. I need someone to play chess with. Oh, then you must like our school chess club. Have you heard of it? No, I didn't know that we have a chess club here. That's great news. Thanks for letting me know. Hey, John, you there? What's up, Thomas? What brings you here? I heard that you had a new roommate, so I want to visit. This must be the roommate, right? Hi, I'm Thomas, John's friend. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Tim. I am a freshman and I just moved in here. Sorry, Tim. Thomas must have scared you. He is always overly friendly like that. No. I don't mind it at all. In fact, I love people like Thomas. I tend to be shy when I meet new people, but people like Thomas would definitely help me a lot. See, John, you always talk bad about me. You are such an interesting guy, Thomas. Are you one of John's bandmates? Oh, yes, how did you know? I am the drummer in the band. I just told him about our band. Oh, so that's why. Do you play instruments as well, Tim? Oh, no, I can't play any instruments. I play chess, though. Then you must be very smart. Can you help me with my homework? Thomas! I was just joking. I don't mind, even if you ask me for real, though. So, what are your interests, Thomas? Do you like anything other than music? Oh, yes, I have other hobbies, too. Playing drums is just one of them. I actually enjoy martial arts, too. I am a member of the karate club. I have just acquired my black belt. Oh, when did you start practicing karate? I think I was in grade 10. I have practiced karate for quite a few years now. Karate helps me keep fit, and it also helps me reduce stress. I see. I always find martial arts mesmerizing. It requires many different skills to master karate, from what I've heard. Yeah, indeed. I've learned many good things, such as patience and self-defense. Do you still practice it frequently now? Yeah, I have a karate club activity 3 times a week. The activities can be skill practicing or combat. They're really fun. Oh, can I go and watch the club practice? I am pretty curious. Hey, no problem at all. You can even join the practice, actually. We open free karate workshops for students that are not the club members. John participates as well. Yeah, I do. You can join me, Tim. It probably will be more fun than you imagine. Really? Then I want to join the workshop too. What time is the workshop? I usually join the one at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. They have 2 others. One is on Monday and another one is at 9 a.m. Sunday. I think I will join the one on Wednesday with you, John. Hey, that's great. I guarantee you a good time, Tim. By the way, it's time for dinner now. Do you guys want to head out and find something to eat? Yeah, I am a bit hungry. Me too. Great. Let's go then. I will drive. Where to? Let's go to our usual place, the burger. Got it. Tim, we will take you to the place with the best burgers you will ever taste. Are you ready? I was born ready. Thank you for being so nice with me, guys. You are welcome. It's always nice to know a new friend. Yeah, you don't have to thank us, Tim. You are my roommate, then you're my friend as well.
Do you usually exercise? Do you have time? For what? Do you want to have a coffee? Sorry, but it's time for me to exercise. Really? Do you usually exercise? Every day. That's great! I usually do exercise in the morning and afternoon after school. Do you practice by yourself? Last month I went to the center, but this month I practiced at home by myself. Did it work? It really worked. Really? I feel healthier and slimmer. Very good. You can give it a try. I think so. That sounds good. What indoor game do you like to play? Do you want to play soccer with us this afternoon? I think no. Why? I prefer indoor games because today is very hot outside. What indoor games do you like to play? I usually play chess. Chess? I haven't played it before. It's quite fun. It's for 2 people. Is it difficult? At first, you might think it's not easy to defeat others. But then you will find it interesting because you need to think about the moves. Oh, it sounds very hard. You can try it. Can I? Of course. Everyone can play it. Okay. What is your current short-term goal? What is your dream? I have always dreamed of becoming a rich woman. You are so funny. I think everyone always dreams like me. You're right. I do too. But it's my long-term goal. What? Do you have long-term goals and short-term goals? Of course. What is your current short-term goal? Now, I aim to get A+ in math and be an excellent student this semester. That's great! Having short-term goals makes me more motivated. And many short-term goals make up long-term goals, right? Exactly. I always make a list of short-term goals and try to finish them. Great! What's your favorite cosmetic item? I've run out of moisturizing masks. Oh, you need to buy more. I think so, but today I'm busy. I can't go. After work, I'm going to the cosmetics store. I can buy it for you. Great. Thanks. No problem. But what will you buy? A lipstick. This is a new product. That's great. What's your favorite cosmetic item? Lipsticks and eyeliner. Wow! I'm interested in makeup. I know! It's full of cosmetic items in your room. No way. Oh my God, a lot! Foundation, lipsticks, eyeshadow, mascara, face cream. You can't list all of them. Right. What's your favorite item of jewelry? The jewelry store has new items. Do you want to see it? Yes, let's go. This one is suitable for you. What? This necklace. It's beautiful, but I don't like necklaces much. What's your favorite item of jewelry? I prefer to buy earrings. Ah, I forgot. You're an earrings collector. Right? I have a lot of earrings at home. I have seen your collection. You have more than 30 pairs, I think. You're right. But do you still want more? Yes, I can't stop buying them when I see these beautiful earrings. You're addicted. Maybe.
Arriving home. Dialogue 1. Ken just came home from a team building trip with his company. Marilyn, his mother, welcomes him home and asks him to tell her about his trip.
Oh my God. It feels so good to finally be home. Hello, Mom.
Hi, honey. Do you need help with your suitcase?
No, I can handle it. Thank you. How are you, Mom?
I'm okay. I have just been cleaning around the house. How was your trip with the company, Ken? Was it good?
It was so-so. We had a few surprises. Bad ones. But after everything is said and done, the trip turned out fine.
Oh, can you tell me what happened?
Well, the first day we were there, our hotel booking was messed up. They only booked 5 rooms for us instead of 10, so we had to share rooms for the first night. It was a bit uncomfortable. And then on the second day, some of us got food poisoning. Because of that, our team couldn't do much the entire day.
I'm sorry to hear that. There must have been something you liked, though, right?
Oh, yes. We had a beach party under the moonlight. There was a bonfire so we could roast marshmallows.
That's fun. Was there anyone new to you on the trip?
Yes, this girl who just joined our company.
Was she friendly?
She was. She blended in with the group really well.
Well, I'm glad you still somewhat enjoyed the trip. Did you bring anything back for me?
Of course, Mom. But you'll have to wait for it. I'll give it to you on your birthday next week.
Oh, I'm so curious. Go take a shower, son. Dinner will be finished soon.
Okay, Mom. See you in a bit.
Dialogue 2. Naomi and Chris recently got married and just came home from their honeymoon. They come across Bella, their neighbor, on their way inside. Hello, Naomi. Chris, congratulations on your marriage. You guys make a beautiful couple. Oh, thank you so much, Bella. We really appreciate you coming to our wedding last week. We hope you had fun. Of course! Thank you both for having invited me. It was one of the loveliest weddings I have ever been to. By the way, where did you guys go on honeymoon afterward?
We went to a resort in the Maldives. The beach there was incredibly beautiful. The water was clear as crystal.
Oh, I read about it in a magazine before. I also want to visit there as well. You really should. We had an amazing time. Do you want to come over to our house for a bit? We brought some souvenirs back from our trip and we want to give you one as a present. Really? Okay.
I'm so sorry the living room is so messy. I didn't get a chance to clean it up before our trip.
No worries. You should enjoy your life as newlyweds. Thank you. This is the souvenir I talked about. It is very pretty. Thank you, guys. You're very welcome. Please come over often. We plan to throw many parties around here. That would be amazing. Dialogue 3. Natalie is on her way home from work. She had many meetings, so she is tired. She ran into Mike, an old friend from high school, and had some small talk with him. I can't wait to go home and finally take a nap. Today was so tiring.
Oh my god. Are you Natalie? Natalie Johnson?
Yes. Sorry, do we know each other?
It's me, Mike, from high school. We sat next to each other in chemistry class.
Oh, Mike! So nice seeing you here. How have you been?
I have been great. After high school, I got a job at the local bank and have been working there ever since. I ended up not going to college. What about you, Natalie? I didn't hear anything about you the last few years.
Oh, I actually went abroad for a bachelor's degree and then just got back from it a while ago. I have not kept in touch with anyone from high school, so that's probably why.
I see. Well, I'm very glad to see you doing okay. Do you want to join me for a coffee? I am actually on my way to meet Frank and Michelle, the people from our class, remember them?
Of course! Frank was the class clown. He always made everyone laugh. And Michelle was so popular since she was so nice. Oh, how I miss high school.
I'll take this as you're joining then?
Actually, is it fine if I meet you guys some other time? I would love to catch up, I really do. But I just had the longest day ever at my workplace, and I really need some sleep right now.
I understand. Well, this is my number. Just give me a call whenever you feel like it. I'll tell the other two I met you today.
Thank you. Please tell them I said hello.
Will do. See you around, Natalie.
Dialogue 4. Derek serves in the military. He recently got permission to come home and see his family since his wife, Emily, just gave birth. However, Derek did not tell anyone because he wanted it to be a surprise. I wish Derek were here. Taking care of a baby on my own is just too hard. I haven't been able to have a good night's sleep since forever. I'm sure he will be back soon. Didn't you tell me that he would be permitted to take a break if you gave birth? Yes, I thought so too, but he told me his request was denied for some reason. That's too bad.
Surprise! I'm home!
Oh my god, Derek! Why are you here? When did you get back?
I lied. My request to take a break never got denied. Just wanted to surprise you. Did you miss me?
So much? I need you home with me right now.
I know. I came home as fast as I could. I really missed you and our baby. By the way, how is she doing?
She's okay, I guess. She cries a lot during the day, but thankfully sleeps through the night. I really need to change her diaper now, though. Do you mind waiting for me?
It's okay, I'm here. I can take care of the baby. You go get some rest, okay?
Thank you. I love you.
Love you too.
Daily English Speaking Practice, Part 1. Let's watch the following video with short conversations covering familiar daily topics to learn more vocabulary and learn how to communicate naturally. Buying a plane ticket.
Hi, may I help you? I would like to buy a plane ticket. I can help you book a flight. May I know where you are traveling to? I want to travel to Paris. Which date do you want me to book? I need a flight on August 5th. There is flights from Heathrow Airport and London Stansted Airport. Which airport do you want to fly from? Heathrow Airport would be great. How about the time? When do you prefer the flight? I prefer whatever flight is the least expensive. Okay, but I'm afraid you will have to take the one very early in the morning. What time is it? It's 5:30 a.m. It's okay. Please book that one for me. Okay, please fill in this information form. Here you are. Your plane ticket costs £100. Would you like to pay in cash or by card? By card, please. Please insert your card here. Okay, I have booked you on a flight on August 5th at 5:30 a.m. Your tickets will arrive in your mail in 24 hours. Okay, thank you.
Complaining. Alice, you look so tired today. Lily, I'm feeling unhappy about my life. What's wrong? I just feel like I haven't achieved anything these years. Why do you think so? I'm just not happy with my job. I don't have a boyfriend, while others seem to have everything at this age. Come on, define everything. I don't know, but I feel so sad. Do you think it's mainly from your job? What happened at work? My work is so busy but repetitive. My boss is also very difficult. I think you're just a bit too stressed about work and life. What should I do? I feel so terrible now. You should rest yourself and think positively. How can I do that? My mind is all over the place. Try meditation then? Okay, I will. Extra lesson class. Jane, do we have any classes for extra lessons this term? Yes, we do. Many students registered for oil painting and piano classes. On which day is the painting class? It's on Tuesday. And the piano class? It's on Thursday. What time are those classes? Both at 4:15 p.m. Okay, I got it. Thank you. Please inform your students about these classes. Sure, I will. When will the due date for registration be? Due date is the next Monday. Okay, I will send you a list before that. Thanks. At the university.
Excuse me? Hi, may I help you? Could you tell me the way to the student center, please? Okay. You go straight to the main square, then turn left. Keep going and you will see it on your left. Thanks a lot. Are you a freshman? Yes, I am. I'm not good at the direction. It's okay. Our university campus is kinda large. I was like you when I was a freshman too. Oh, which year are you on now? Third year already. Oh, really? Anyway, thanks for helping me. Not at all. Have a happy time at university. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Going to the restroom. What's wrong with you, Anna?
I don't know. Suddenly I feel dizzy and nauseous.
Do you need to go to the restroom?
Yes. Do you know where it is?
It's over there at the end of the hall.
Oh, I don't feel okay. I have to go now.
Do you need me to take you there?
No, it's okay.
How are you feeling?
I vomited.
Do you think what's the reason?
Maybe I caught a cold. I don't know.
Do you want to finish your meal or go home right now?
Have you finished your meal?
Yes, I have.
Then let's go home. I don't feel so well.
Okay, let's go.
A coffee shop. Peter and Lily are two friends. They are discussing opening a coffee shop.
Well, so Lily, can you tell me about a cafe you have recently visited?
It's a new cafe, and so I was not really too sure about what to expect there. But when I arrived, I was in for a pleasant surprise, as I found that the friendly management and staff there were eagerly waiting to greet us and other customers.
How about the decoration of the cafe?
The tables were nicely shaped with beautiful cream-colored tablecloths on them. Each and every table maintained a safe distance from each other to offer all of its customers a sense of privacy. The flower vases on the tables added to the elegance of the cafe even more. Besides, all around the cafe, everything looked very shiny and spotlessly clean. There wasn't a single thing that I could find to complain about the cafe.
Well, I must go there one day. Are the foods and drink nice?
They were equally delicious and appetizing. Especially the strawberry-filled cheesecake and the garlic roasted bread were simply outstanding. Besides, the cranberry fruit drinks tasted like they just came fresh from the garden. What about you? Do you have any favorite coffee shops?
My visit to Café de Yum was a wonderful experience. It was the nice cafe I had never seen.
How was it?
Everything was decorated in a crafty manner.
Wow, that's impressive.
The seating arrangement, the food, beverages, and other services were adorable. The coffee they served was hot and delicious.
What else did they have?
Crowds start gathering in the evening. It arranges fresh barbecues with meat and fish, fried rice, paratha, vegetable curries, and other types of local and foreign dishes. The price of foods is also reasonable as well, which is the other cause of getting popularity for this cafe. I took a barbecue with paratha there and really enjoyed them.
Well, talking about coffee shops, which coffee shop do you think is the most popular here?
I think Starbucks is from Seattle.
I like Starbucks as well. I like how they're constantly trying to come out with new types of drinks, with new types of themes to fit the season. For example, the other day, they had some sort of the orange summery drink.
True, I thought that was cool. How they are constantly working to make themselves better, more interesting, and to offer more to their customers.
Right. I think it's also a very comfortable brand for customers, because in Seattle, many Seattleites don't really drink Starbucks unless they're in a hurry. They'll go to smaller coffee shops, but if they travel around the world, anywhere else they always know a drink that they can get at Starbucks.
So it's a sort of safe and homey company that you can
get a drink that you like anywhere that you go.
What do you think really makes a good cafe or a good coffee shop?
Well, number one is it has to be the employees themselves. People who run a cafe, who are generally amicable people, really just make me want to come back and to talk to them, and also the setting of cafes.
I have some of my favorite cafes that usually like to hang local artists. So they're constantly kind of like not only getting involved with the community, but also like helping them with their work and helping people in the community kind of see what other people in the community are into and doing every day.
Also, sometimes, like cafes that have like music or shows is really, really cool to me. What do you think?
Actually, I agree with that quite a bit. I think the atmosphere is a very important part of it. And actually, I have another question for you. When you go back to a cafe, do you actually go there for the coffee, or do you go there for something else and you happen to buy a coffee there?
Sometimes both. I'm a bit of a coffee addict. So I definitely go for the caffeine boost, but I do like to, now and then I'll say, oh, that cafe looks kind of cool. Like, look at what they have hanging inside, or at the music that's being played, and oh, look, they have lots of board games. I'd like to sit down and, see who'd maybe want to play with me, and then end up buying a cup of coffee.
Okay, I think for me so often it's that I want to sit down somewhere and read a book, but I want to get out of my house. I want to get out and go somewhere there are energy and people.
And so I think the atmosphere plays a big role for me because I don't really go there to get a coffee as much as I go to do work or read a book or study language or things like that.
That's so true. I could never study in a library because it's so quiet that I fall asleep. If I were to go to a coffee shop, there's the ability to kind of zone out because there's so much going on around you. People meeting to chat, the blending machine making a special cafe iced mocha, but not plenty of table space to where you can go and, just kind of sprawl out with all of your different belongings and study or even get lost in a book.
Right. And I think when I'm reading, I want a really comfortable, cushy chair. But I find that actually when I'm studying, especially if I'm writing, I'd rather have maybe a wooden chair and a table that I can work with.
Also, sometimes too, like when I studying is really not that much fun. So if you're in a cafe, you always have the ability of possibly running into somebody who's going to distract you.
Exactly. Just a way to procrastinate and...
Flower or flower? A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word, but has a different meaning or spelling. Let's watch this video and learn homophones from Ben's story. Ben, I need you to complete this file by today. I see, sir. It will not take much time, no worries at all. Okay. By the way, your son seems to be very nice. Oh, wait. I don't have a son. I just have a daughter. Did you forget that? No, I mean, son. The picture on your phone case. Ah, I see. My wife bought it for me, so I love it so much. What a sweet boy. Hi, honey. Hi, Ben. Are you going to come home on time? I'm not sure, but I'm not working overtime today. Everything is almost completed. Great. If you return before 6, can you please go to the supermarket to buy flour for me? Sure. If I can't, I will text you. Thanks, honey. Back to work. Yeah, talk later. Love you. Oops, there is a heavy wind.
It is going to rain, so I need to be quick. Oh my gosh! My hat! Excuse me? Do you see my blue hat? Blue hat? No, I just picked up a brown hat. Yes, that's it. My hat is brown. I mean blue, not the color blue. Ah, I see. Here you are. Thank you so much. Quickly, it is going to rain in an hour. That's bad. Bye. Honey, you're here? Yeah, I hear you. Don't shout out loud. Here? Hear what? I don't see you. I'm not there. I'm on the rooftop to collect clothes. I thought you asked, did I hear you? I'm coming now. Okay. Honey, what are these? Flowers. Didn't you call me to buy them this morning? Oh, I asked you to buy flour. Flour for our cakes. It is running out. Oh my gosh. Sorry, honey, my bad. No worries, I understand. We always have mistakes in our life. Anyway, these flowers are so beautiful. They're as pretty as you are. For you. Thank you, my darling. You're so sweet. I promise I will take care of you and our family better. Come on, you are doing well. I'm always happy with you. So, what will we have tonight? I wanted to make some cakes, but you know... Do you want to eat out? But it's raining outside. We can go out next time. Okay, I promise. Daddy, Daddy! Sweetie, where are you? I'm in my room. Daddy, Daddy, my pear is extremely perfect. What? This is not pear season. Honey, I also love pear. Why didn't you tell me? Pear, Daddy. Pear. Anne and me, we won 3 games in a row.
Yay!
Which game did you play with Anne? Find the princess. Do you want to play with me? Is it hard for the beginner? No, Anne is also a beginner. But we still won many trophies. Great. We will play this weekend. Don't you go to your company? No, I will be home with you. Then we will go eating out. Perfect! Mommy, will you join us? Absolutely. Now, I should go to change my clothes. These are so uncomfortable. Sophia, do you want to help me prepare dinner? Sure!
Sun. Sun. Blue. Blue. Here. Here. Flower. Flower. Pear. Pear.
Anime Expo. How will you prepare for the Anime Expo happening this weekend? I think I'll go to an anime cosplay shop to buy my costume. Who are you gonna cosplay? Do you know Midoriya Izuku? Ah, I know him. He's the main character in My Hero Academia. Exactly. I think I'm gonna cosplay as him. What about you? Do you have any plans for your costume? Well, I'm thinking about designing a unique costume. So, you're not gonna cosplay any character? I think my costume and makeup will be based on an e-girl. What is it? It's like an internet girl. Here's a photo. Wow, so your makeup look will have winged eyeliner and heavy eyeshadow. You can say so. Can you do makeup for me? I don't really know how to put on makeup. I think I can help you. Do you want makeup like Midoriya Izuku or girl style? I'll go with girl style. Got it. Dancing. Look at Alice. She seems to be really enjoying this party. You're right. Her dancing is beautiful. Do you know what we call that dance? No idea. Tap dance, maybe? She's so professional. I also want to dance like her, but I don't know how to. Come on, don't be shy. Let's dance now. But I don't know how to catch the rhythm. Just shake your hips like me. Okay. Hey, do you see this guy freestyling? He looks like a hip-hop dancer. That's cool. Ugh, look at this drunkard. His dancing is terrible. He's trying to ruin this party for sure. He looks like he's having fun. Forget about him. Oh, look at this couple. Their dance looks so romantic. I agree. Hey, this is my favorite song. Let's continue dancing. Wow, guess it's your showtime. Haha, I think I'm the "this is my song" dancer. Beautiful. Let's enjoy this moment. Are you free on Saturday, Emily? What for? Wanna go shopping with me? I need a new dress for this party next month. Sounds interesting. Let me check my wardrobe to see whether I need to buy anything. Winter is coming. We can buy some winter clothes. Good idea. So, when should we meet and where? Let's see. I have an online meeting on Saturday morning, so how about 4 o'clock in the afternoon? I'm okay with it. I'm here, Emily. Hi, Sarah. Which mall should we visit first? I saw the dress I want to buy. Follow me. So, long and sexy dress is your style. Yep. Do you think I should buy this one? Gorgeous. But let's look around and see other dresses as well. Wow, we did buy a lot. You're right. It's been a long time since I had free time to hang out.
Yeah, last week we had many things to do, remember?
Exactly. Do you want to go to a cafe now?
Sure, let's go. Sending invitations. Hello, Lucy.
How's it going, Tony?
Not much. Well, are you busy on Sunday evening?
Nope. I only do my homework, but I can finish it quickly.
Cool. So, would you like to go to my birthday party?
Wow! Your birthday is this weekend.
That's right.
I think I can go, but I need to ask my mom first.
No problem. You can tell me the answer tomorrow.
Great! Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. Hey, Jack.
What's up, Tony?
Are you doing anything on Sunday evening?
No. Why do you ask?
I want to invite you to my birthday party on Sunday evening. What do you think?
Awesome! I will definitely go.
Great to hear that. Hello, Henry. How's it going, Tony? I'm good. By the way, I'm having my birthday party this Sunday evening. Do you have time?
Sounds good, but I'm afraid no. I have to visit my grandma on Sunday. Sorry, Tony.
It's all right, Henry.
Making new friends. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Before we start our lesson, let's meet Jenny, our new classmate. Come in, please. Now, introduce yourself to the whole class. Hi, everyone. My name is Jenny. I love badminton and ice cream. I hope to make good friends with all of you. Please go to the empty seat over here, Jenny. Hey, Jenny. I'm Rose. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Rose. I also like badminton. Why don't we play together during the break time? Sounds great.
Hi, Jenny. I'm Linda, the class monitor. If you need any help, just tell me.
Thank you so much, Linda.
Can we exchange phone numbers?
Sure, mine is...
Hey, exchange with me too. Oh, I'm Mark, in case you ask my name.
Hi, Mark. Here's my phone number. Thank you so much. I'll text you guys later.
Where are you and Rose going?
Playing badminton.
I think Jenny's friendly. Yup. I want to make friends with her.
To make a bargain. Hi, may I see this chessboard, please? Okay, here you are. How much is it? It's $45. $45? It's so expensive. It's handmade. Many tourists like it.
Could you reduce the price a bit? It's really expensive compared to a normal chessboard, to be honest.
I know, but because it's a very unique handmade souvenir, the price can't be cheaper.
I know, but if you could reduce the price a bit, it will be more reasonable.
Then $40. That's my lowest price.
If I buy 2, can you reduce more?
If you buy 2, $38 per board. That's my lowest point.
Okay, then I will take 2 boards.
$76 total.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Here are your chessboards.
Color idiom.
Lucy, why are you sitting there for so long?
I'm feeling blue today.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe because of the gloomy weather.
Actually, listening to a bit of music will be the best in this atmosphere.
Great! Do you have a list of music that is suitable for my mood today?
Yes, I do. Let me send it to you.
Thank you.
Movie.
Tony, I want to watch a movie now. Could you suggest a good one?
Which type of movie do you like?
Any type is okay, as long as it's not a horror movie.
Have you watched Parasite movie?
It sounds like a horror movie.
No, it's not. It's a Korean movie, which won an Oscar last year.
Really? Let me watch it then.
But I have to tell you to prepare yourself because it may affect your mood.
It's okay. Thanks, Tony. Appointment with doctor. Hi, Dr. John. I'm Betty.
Hi, Betty. What's the matter with you?
I have a stomach ache.
Where does it hurt?
I'm not sure. Around the belly button, I think.
Let me check. Does it hurt here?
No.
Did you eat something bad?
I'm not sure.
Do you have diarrhea?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I had a slight fever this morning.
You may get food poisoning. Please follow my instruction here and take this medicine.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Ask a favor. Hi, excuse me.
Hi, may I help you?
Could you do me a favor?
Yes.
May I borrow your phone? My husband is driving here to pick up me and my daughter, but my phone is out of battery.
Haven't you told him where you were standing?
Yes, I haven't told him yet.
Sure, you can use my phone.
Thank you very much.
Not at all. Here you are.
Interrupting politely.
Okay, everyone, so we have decided on the menu for the Christmas party. Let's move to the next point.
Sorry for interrupting, but I'd like to add something here.
Okay, please go ahead, Monica.
I think we should have a survey first to ask if anyone in our company has an allergy to any kind of food.
You're right. Jessie, please take note of it and put it in the plan.
Okay, I got it.
Is there anyone else who has an opinion or suggestion for food before we move on to the next point?
Okay, no one has any further opinion. Now let's discuss the dress code and decoration.
Amanda, Brad, and Ryan are 15-year-old high school students. They are chatting in their break time. Hey Ryan, want to have another match after school? I'll beat over you this time.
Yeah!
You bet, but I didn't bring my swimming trunks today. What about tomorrow? Just you and me. Don't need it. I am in a good mood. Let's do it today. If you want to. All right, gentlemen. There will be no match today, because we'll have a group meeting after school about our presentation on seasonal activities. Remember? Oh, I totally forgot it. Well, can we do it after our match? It's spring. You need to let us swim. Sorry, Mr. Swim, but I have a tutoring class this night. Can't make it. And what's the logic here? It's cold now. A little bit of cold, not too much. Good for practicing the endurance. Also to prepare for the summer. Where did you get that from? My family. They have trained me that since I was a child, and keeping this tradition until now. That's Howard, boys. Oh, great. Maybe we can bring it as an example for our essay. We even have living proof here. So, we'll meet after school, right? Yeah, Brett, I think we can switch. Swimming after meeting? Because of our Amanda, it's okay. How lucky am I? Where will we meet? It's about seasonal activities, so I think we could stay in the park. The weather is really nice today. I'm sure there are lots of people in the park. We can get inspiration from them. That's a good idea. Oh. Then we can go to the supermarket, pick some snacks, and have a small picnic there also. Great! And I will bring my basketball. We come here not for fun, Brad. Balls are not allowed. How lame you are. Have you had your decision yet, Ryan? You've already stayed at this sandwich stall for more than 5 minutes. It's hard to choose. I've tried this chicken mayonnaise flavor before, and it's good. And this pepper beef flavor sounds like my style, but it is new. You don't know if it's tasty or not. Risky. Oh, please, Ryan. Just take both. But we've already got salad and snacks. I don't think I can eat both of them. And this sandwich is eaten in a day. For God's sake! You take it all and eat as much as you can. I'll handle the rest, okay? Are you sure? Can you eat it all? I'm a man of my word. It's 3 p.m. The sun's gonna go down soon. Hurry up. All right. I'll take it. Remember your word. Hey, do you guys want to pick some beer also? It's not a picnic, Brad. Put it back. You guys are taking lots of time now. Okay. I love the air. So fresh. Yeah, totally. Spring is for sports. It's fresh. It's still cold, but not much. You can still work out outside. Totally. So, what season do you guys want to do it about? Spring, totally. Inspiration is everywhere. Okie dokie. Take a short interview at first. Ryan, what activities do you usually do in the spring? Jogging in a park about twice a week. I usually take my dog with. On the weekend, I fly a kite with my sister. A kite? Are you serious? Yeah, it's fun. And my little sister, she loves it. What else, Ryan? Blow bubbles with your little sister also? Enough, Brad. Eat your sandwich and do not interrupt us. Ryan, keep continuing. Me and my family has a tradition of traveling to different cities in the spring. Until now, we have gone to 7 cities, including Las Vegas and New York. Oh, cool. Anything else? That's all I have now. Ah, one more thing. Swimming with Brad because of losing for a bet, so that I need to go to the pool with him. You're welcome. Okay, so what about you, Brad? What are your spring activities without swimming? Oh, a lot. Because of being at Howard's Boys, I've trained outdoor exercises a lot. Not just swimming. We also run in the early morning every day. I have a taekwondo class on the weekend and special activities that you only do in the spring, Brad. Not for the whole year. Sorry, lost focus. Because our normal activities have already been a lot, that not really having special spring activities much. One of our relatives owns a farm with horses, ducks, and cows. So my family usually goes to her farm and stays there about 3 days a month during the spring. It's like freshening up, you know? Climbing mountains, feeding cows, fishing. Have meals with fresh vegetables and meat. Only imagining now would make my mouth water. And my dad and I are always riding a horse there. Together we ride with the spring air and through the mountains and rivers. Oh my dear, that's so mind-blowing. And also the rowing boat. Horse? Really? I have never heard you talk about it before. Yeah, I even carried out delivery for a horse once. I named him Johnny. Here, 2 years and a half now. That's my bestie. How cute. I really want to ride one. What about you guys come with my family next weekend, and we can have a horse riding and rowing boat there? Cool, I'll take it. What about you, Ryan? Yeah, sure. So that's mine. What about you, Amanda? Well, I go jogging and play badminton in the park, like you guys. And my family usually has a camp on each weekend also. We often drive to a mountain in the early morning, climb there, set up a tent at the top, and settle everything down before the sunset. We have a barbecue and chit-chat. It's relaxing and interesting. Yeah, you should try once. And I also love to seek out the spring flowers and take pictures of them. Decorate my home with fresh tulips and daffodils. Leave my windows open to catch a spring breeze and listen to the birds singing. Those little things like that, you know? It makes me so comfortable and joyful. Well, I think we have enough material. Let's start to make it in a fascinating PowerPoint now.